Hi cooking friends, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Sheila.
And if you're joining us for the first time, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and ring that bell.
And we will notify you every time we have a new recipe coming out. You know, we have a whole playlist of casseroles. Go to the homepage of our YouTube channel and you'll see there's a playlist all the way down. You can choose one of those playlists and all of those recipes are categorized for you. Real simple. And go to shotgunred.com also. We have them categorized there. We are going to do one of those easy
casseroles.
So we're going to take you back and show you how it's done.
We have all of our ingredients ready here, and now we're pre-greasing the number 13 baking dish.
And then we picked up some pasta.
Pasta rotoni.
And you could use any kind of pasta you'd like.
And we are adding 3 cups of water.
And guess what, guys? We have a brand new cookbook coming out October 2024. And don't forget, you can still pick up Volume 1 and Volume 2. Follow the link in the description box or visit shotgunred.com. So then,
a jar of your favorite pasta sauce. You can use any kind you like, doesn't matter.
So we'll just pour that in.
This is something that I know we'll be making quite often.
Then we got some seasoning.
1 teaspoon of onion powder.
Sprinkle that in there.
And 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning.
Gotta have some Italian seasoning in there. And you just want to gently mix that up. And we just picked up some frozen meatballs and thawed them out.
We're going to add 2 bags of thawed Italian meatballs. You just place them around evenly into the dish.
Exactly.
This is so simple.
Any kind of meatball you like. Get the other bag.
It's very quick too.
Oh yeah, super quick.
We love the dump and bake, don't we?
Oh yeah. Easy recipes.
Now we cover it with aluminum foil.
And we're going to place it into the oven at
425 degrees.
We'll let that bake in there
for like 35 minutes.
And then we'll check it. So we just got it out of the oven.
Uncover it. Gently give it a stir.
Yeah, just kind of mix all that sauce into the meatballs.
Then we're going to add some mozzarella cheese.
Gotta have some cheese.
We love our cheese.
Oh yeah. The more cheese, the better on this kind of a dish. We'll put that back into the oven.
We'll let the cheese melt for about 5 minutes.
Look at that.
So this smells so good. We love this stuff.
Look at all that cheesy goodness. Yum, yum.
Oh, we love the cheese.
We do. Doesn't that look tasty?
Such an easy dish.
Yes.
Some parsley on top, some Parmesan cheese on top. So good. And as Steve would say,
is this the best dump and bake meatball casserole you've ever tried?
If it ain't, it ought to be.
We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.